There are many ways to mount our system here. One that you can just drill directly onto the frame below the windows. Another way that is the preferred way to do it is that we have these adjustable height vertically L-track system that we also carry in our store. This is a brand new system that we have. It's specifically made for our bed platform. Everybody knows the L-track system. It does kind of look like this. You get 4 of these on each corner, and this the L-track accessory attachments that just goes up and down like these, and therefore you can adjust your height of your bed, and that's what we're going to show you next. So guys, obviously we have 4 corners and 2 is in the front, and the 2 ends on the back. The 2 in the front is pretty much identical. It's just a little triangle shape, and 2 on the back, there's a difference between the passenger side and the driver side. I'm holding this one is for the passenger side, and as you can see, this one on this side just goes straight down. On this side, it does have the profile, and it kind of matches it with the profile of your van. And this will be the side for your passenger side. So in this case, we're using 1/8 drill and 1/8 rivets. And with all these little holes all around it, you're gonna put a rivet on every single little holes. So to position this, you wanna do pretty much all the way against the seam here. And then you wanna push it all the way back to the rear frame. And have somebody hold it for you, and then you can go ahead and drill your first hole, maybe the second hole, somewhere on the bottom, do your rim gun, and then you can let go pretty much and just drill the rest. We just kind of line up with the upper seams here and make sure that just use the seam as a straight edge, make sure it's completely square and parallel. And then again, you want to stay within 56 inches to 52 inches front and back. I can put a tape measurement right now. From center to center, we're about 55 and a quarter. You can't really go farther anymore and towards the front of the van, but you can definitely go backwards, and you need to stay within 52 inches, the minimum length that you need to stay within. But then again, we don't recommend you doing that because you want to use the full length for a more stable mounting location. So all the hardwares are included. The only thing that you do need is these ribbons and a ribbon gun. You can pick these up at any hardware store. Home Depot is where we got it. These are the 3mm 1/8 medium size. These are the guy that you want to get. And of course the gun's running about $20, and also a drill that's equal in diameters, which is 1/8. So basically, the bed platform can be adjustable, and the lowest point that you can mount this is 37 inches. And then the highest point location that you can mount this is 55.5. In this case, customers choose to mount it at kind of in the midway, lower than the midway a little bit. And we're just doing the L-track screws. And to secure the location, we're just gonna put a little bit of tape on there. Therefore, it frees up your hand. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then we're gonna put the bed frame actually on these 2 bolts. So with the challenge of the adjustable bed that's currently on the market today is that a lot of times they're super heavy to adjust, and they do claim to be adjustable, but in real life I found that they're not quite adjustable just because how heavy they are. With our panels, each of the panel weighed about 18 pounds because of the honeycomb aluminum material that's in the center. So basically all the weight is just your frame. And again, there's a frame on the back, panels in the middle, and it's super lightweight and it's super strong. So have the panel line up with the slotted hole right here, and all you have to do, this is hand tied. Make sure it's all the way in. Are you good? Okay guys, so we did finish the installation. It turned out to be really nice. As you can see, again, the adjustability is really wide. The lowest point that you can go is 37 inches. The highest point that you can go with the bed is about 55.5. The overall length is 76 inches, so just about 6'4" or so. That's accommodating for most body types. And I hope you guys like it. whitetopadventures.com.